This is the homework video for 10/25/16. You're doing lesson 10, number 1 in your homework packet. And it's important that you pay attention to this. This is something that we won't spend a ton of time in class in, so watch, rewatch if necessary, and make sure that you understand what it means to be a solution to an equation. Okay, so I am supposed to figure out which ordered pairs, x, y, down below are solutions to the equation 2x plus 3y equals 6. Two things have to be true in order for a ordered pair xy to be a solution to a linear equation. First, they have to lie on the graph. They have to lie on the line 2x plus 3y equals 6. If they don't lie on the line, then they're not solutions to the equation. Second, when you substitute these into the equation, you have to get a true statement. You can use either one of these to check and see if these are solutions, but because we don't have the graph for 2x plus 3y equals 6, it would be easier to use method number 2, which means we have to substitute each ordered pair into the x spot in the equation and into the y spot in the equation, and we have to see if we get a true statement. Here we go. So I've got to put the 2 in the x spot, and I'm putting the 0 in the y spot. If you didn't try this on your own, pause the video now and try the rest of the problems on your own. Don't just copy. That won't help you learn. When I do that, this means 2 times 2, and putting a 0 in the y spot means 3 times 0. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 0 is 0. And I've got to see if that's equal to 6, if that's a true statement or not. 4 plus 0 is not equal to 6. Therefore, this does not lie on the graph, and it's not a solution to the equation. Okay, next. 0, 6. The 0 has to go in the x spot, and the 6 has to go in the y spot. And I have to see if it's a true statement. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. 0 plus 18 is not 6. The 2 has to go into the x spot. The 3 has to go into the y spot. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is not 6. No again. The 3 has to go into the x spot, and the negative 2 has to go into the y spot. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is not equal to 6. It's equal to 0. Next, the 3 needs to go into the x spot, and the 0 has to go into the y spot. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 0 equals 0. 6 plus 0 equals 6. This is a yes. It's a solution to the equation. It means that it'll also lie on the graph of the line, and it made a true statement. This is my true statement. Next, the 6 has to go in the x spot. The negative 2 has to go in the y spot. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and 12 plus negative 6 is equal to 6. That is a true statement. And we are done with the homework video again. Just about 4 minutes. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.